A business owner opens Instagram,
then LinkedIn,
then Facebook,
then the Google business profile.
and the question gets heavier every time.
What are we supposed to post?
So they post nothing.
Or they post a graphic that says Happy Tuesday,
No crime.
but not a strategy.
I'm Christina. This is the Lumin Signal, the daily marketing podcast from Lumin Marketing Group.
And I'm Evan.
What should my business post on social media?
Today, we're turning that search question into a practical marketing decision.
The line for today is this.
Do not ask what to post, ask what the post needs to do.
Today, we're answering the question almost every small business asks. What should my business post on social media?
The better question is this.
What does the post need to do?
Do not ask what to post first, ask what the post needs to do.
Social media is not one channel anymore.
It's discovery.
It's proof.
It's search.
It's trust maintenance.
TikTok has official search ads built around keywords for people searching specific terms.
That tells you something about user behavior.
People are not only scrolling.
They're looking.
Instagram explains ranking across different surfaces because people use each part of the app differently.
LinkedIn wants complete company pages and useful activity because buyers inspect credibility there too.
And Google Business Profile posts can appear around search and maps.
So the post is not just content.
It's a public signal.
Here is the menu.
4 kinds of posts.
Answer.
Proof.
Process.
Invitation.
Answer post, respond to real questions.
How much should a website cost?
Why are we not showing up on Google Maps?
What should we post this week?
How do we use AI without sounding fake?
Answer posts are good because they meet search behavior.
They also prove you understand the buyer.
Proof posts show evidence,
Not fake metrics.
not invented testimonials.
Real work.
A before and after.
A decision you made.
A client-approved quote.
A sample clearly labeled as sample if it's conceptual.
Proof posts help a quiet buyer believe the business is active and capable.
Process posts show how the work happens.
This is powerful for services because buyers can't hold the product yet.
Show the planning.
Show the checklist.
Show the decision behind a homepage.
Show what you look for in a Google profile.
Show the human review layer in an AI workflow.
Process posts reduce uncertainty,
Invitation posts ask for a next step.
but not every invitation needs to be aggressive.
Book a review.
Reply with the page you want audited.
Save this checklist.
Send this to the person managing the website.
Download the guide.
The mistake is using invitation posts without the other 3.
Then the page becomes a row of asks.
Answer first.
Show proof.
Reveal process.
Then invite.
A simple week can be 4 posts.
Monday, answer a customer question.
Tuesday, show proof.
Wednesday, show process.
Thursday, make an invitation.
Friday, reuse the strongest idea as a Google Business Profile post or short video.
That's not random posting.
That's a content rhythm.
And it starts with one real question, not a blank calendar.
Tool to try this week. Google Search Console.
It's a free Google tool that shows how your website performs in Google search.
Open the performance report.
Look at queries.
Look at pages.
Look at impressions, clicks, and click-through rate.
Do not use it to chase every keyword.
Use it to find real buyer language, weak pages, and questions worth answering better. Tool of the day, the 4-post menu.
Answer.
Proof.
Process.
Invitation.
Take one customer question and make one post for each category.
Today's small action.
Write down the last question a customer asked before buying.
Turn it into tomorrow's answer post.
That's how social stops feeling like performance and starts working like public usefulness. If you want help turning real buyer questions into a clearer website, stronger content, and a more useful public presence, Lumin Marketing Group can help.
Tomorrow, how to know whether AI search understands your business.
Thank you for listening to the Lumin Signal.
Produced by Lumin Marketing Group.
We will see you tomorrow.